What's up, everybody?
The weekend's almost here.
And you know what time it is. We are back with another video. So check it out right after this.
So in this video, we actually went to Cape Charles, Virginia, which is on the eastern shore of Virginia. And me personally, I grew up in a small town, so I love to go visit different small towns.
Yes.
What'd you think about it, David?
It's a very nice town, a lot of quaint shops, a small population, but we'll get into that a little bit later. What we're gonna do right now is show you our experience. So check it out. What's up, everybody? We are down at our seasonal site, Sunset Beach, KOA, Chesapeake Bay KOA. And we are about to take you into the town of Cape Charles.
And I'm excited, and I'm always hungry, so we're gonna do lunch there too.
Yes, it's supposed to be a pretty nice place. We're gonna take a look at it. And before we do that, we wanted to show you how we set up our seasonal site. So take a look. We just walked through downtown Cape Charles, getting ready to head to go get something to eat real quick. Right, Kim?
Of course, you know I'm always ready to eat, so.
All right, we're gonna hit a spot called Shanty Market. We've eaten here once before, so we're gonna go back there and see how it is now.
So it's actually a 30-minute wait. So we actually decided we'd kill time by playing some cornhole. So let me whip his tail right quick. Just kidding, I lose every time.
Just finished our lunch at the shanty and the food was delicious. I had the shrimp po' boy.
And I had the blackened tuna burger.
Yes, it was very, very good. The service was good, it was quick, the food was nice and fresh. So we're full, but we're gonna come over here to the Brown Dog ice cream shop,
which is ranked as one of the top 10 most favorite ice cream shops, right?
Yep.
The best 10 ice cream shops
in the country. So follow us over there.
So we just got done eating ice cream at the Brown Dog ice cream shop, and it was phenomenal. We had the mixed berry cheesecake, and it was delicious. So if you're ever in Cape Charles and you have the opportunity, please make a stop by there. It'll be worth it.
Yep, and again, it is ranked one of the top 10 ice cream shops in the country. Delicious ice cream. Just come on down, check it out if you're in the area. Right, Kim?
That's it.
All right, so we're going to make one more stop here in Cape Charles, so we want to take you with us there too. Here we go. All right, we're here at Eastern Shore Custom Golf Carts. We realize that having a seasonal site, it can get really expensive renting golf carts. $45 to $51 per day can get a little bit outrageous. So we're in the market for a custom golf cart. They have a place here, so we're going to stop in and take a look and see what they have.
Now, my husband wants something custom made, like one of those. Me, I don't care. It could look like this. All I need to do is to get from point A to point B. I don't care. Okay, I hope you liked the video. We showed you a lot of different variety of shops and restaurants, and I told you the restaurant that we ate in, the Shanty Market. That's what it was called, right?
The Shanty.
Yeah, it was very good. And then the ice cream shop, the Brown Dog. Why do I always reference food?
You always love to eat. That's why.
I just thought about that. But he is from, actually from the big city of New York.
Yes.
Brooklyn. So, and he married a small town girl. So I always like to take him to see like the small towns and see what it was like to, what it's like to live in them. So they're, again, very close to my heart.
Yes, Cape Charles is a very small town with a population as of the last census of about 1,039 people. It has 2 beaches, one of them owned by Cape Charles, by the town itself, which is really, really nice. A very nice town. People are very, very friendly. For it to be a small town, there was a lot to do. We enjoyed it.
Very much so. I will go back, especially to the restaurant and the ice cream shop. Imagine that.
Yes. So what we're going to do at this point is, like we always do, we want to ask all of you to please give us the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we wanted to let you know that we are almost halfway to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. It's taken us a little bit of a while, but we want you to share our videos if you could. Help us get to that goal of 1,000 subscribers. It's really going to help us out. We really appreciate all of you who have subscribed to our channel.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you for the comments. And if you've ever been to Cape Charles, Virginia, and you would like to share your experience with us, let us know in the comments down below. We'd really appreciate it. And as you know, if you've commented to us in the past, we always get right back to you as soon as we can. So, on that note, we're going to say that here's hoping that you have
a wonderful weekend.
And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So as we always say, here's hoping that you have a perfect